Hi everyone and welcome back to Didi Toys channel. Today we are going to get ready for Halloween and crochet these little pumpkin keychains. They're quite easy to crochet, the pattern is beginner friendly, easy to follow, and it takes about half an hour to create one. I used a plush yarn for the pumpkin, it's Himalaya Dolphin Baby, and the color is 868. You may use any brand you like. You'll need just a little, you can even use some leftovers as I did. I used yarn art jeans green for leaves and a yellow one for sculpting when I shaped the pumpkin. I also used thin Italian velour brown color for the stem and vine. You may take any other thin yarn. It's important it to be thinner than the one you used for the leaves. I'll take 4mm crochet hook for plush yarn, then 2mm crochet hook for yarn art jeans, and 1.10mm hook for thin velour. You'll also need scissors, a plastic needle for plush yarn, and a needle for sewing details and sculpting the pumpkin. If you are going to make a keychain, you'll need a keychain basis and pliers to help you attach the basis to the pumpkin. And the last but not the least, you'll need some fiber filler to stuff your little pumpkins. That's all I wanted to say about materials. I'll show you how to make a keychain, but you can use the pumpkin as a separate piece of decor, part of decoration, or a toy for your kid. Just follow your wishes. So, we can start crocheting. I start by 2 chain stitches. You can start by a magic circle and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into it. First round is ready and we need to make 6 increases for round 2. That means you crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch of the previous round. 12 stitches in total. We continue evenly increasing a single crochet stitch followed by an increase 6 times for the round 3. You'll get 18 stitches in total. Now 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times for the round 4. A single crochet stitch in each stitch around for the rounds 5 and 6. The total amount of stitches remains the same. That's how the pumpkin looks like at this moment, and we're going to start decreasing from the next round. So, 2 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times for the round 7. You may crochet a simple decrease like this, or you can make an invisible decrease. I prefer the second way of decreasing because it looks better for me. One more round of decreases, a single crochet stitch followed by a decrease 6 times, and you'll get 12 stitches in total. Now we need to stuff the pumpkin. I do not stuff it tight, so it's convenient to shape it later. 6 decreases for round 9, and that's the last round. You'll get 6 stitches in total. The main part of pumpkin is ready. We need to cut the thread, tighten the hole, and weave in the yarn tail. I use a plastic needle for plush yarn and insert the needle through front loops only. Now insert the needle into the center of the hole and pull the thread. Fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tail. The next step is sculpting to make the pumpkin look more realistic. Make as many stripes as you wish. Fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tails. The little pumpkin is ready, and we're going to crochet the leaves next. Make a chain of 9 stitches. Now crochet 7 single crochet stitches. Start crocheting into the second chain stitch from the hook. Three single crochet stitches into the last chain stitch. Now turn the work and crochet 5 more single crochet stitches. Two chain stitches and turn the work again. Now 6 more single crochet stitches. And increase. Six single crochet stitches again. Two chain stitches again, then turn the work and crochet 7 single crochet stitches. Cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing. The leaf is ready. Crochet the second one following the same pattern. We start to crochet the stem next. I start by 2 chain stitches and then crochet 5 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. You may start by a magic circle. You don't need to make any increases or decreases, just crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around, 4 rounds in total. You may crochet less or more rounds if you want to make the stem shorter or longer. After the stem is ready, we start to crochet the vine. I make 20 chain stitches and then crochet 2 single crochet stitches into each stitch. Make an increase into every chain stitch. Shape the vine a bit in the process. I don't make increases for the last 3 chain stitches. Now cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing. The stem and vine for our pumpkin are ready. Now we need to sew everything to the pumpkin. I attach the leaves first and then the stem. Same process for the second leaf. Don't forget to weave in the yarn tails. And the final part, attaching the stem. Almost ready, just weave in the yarn tail. Your little pumpkin is ready. Now we need to attach the keychain bases. Use the pliers to help you. Finally, your pumpkin keychain is ready. Hope you've enjoyed the process. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for your likes and comments. Follow Didi Toys channel for more easy to follow buttons. See you!